Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play support in Splatoon 3. The support role is crucial for team success, focusing on enabling your teammates to shine. You are the backbone, ensuring consistent ink coverage and objective control. Your main job is to keep the map painted and use your special weapons strategically. Remember, staying alive and providing constant pressure is more valuable than chasing a high elimination count. Let's dive into how to master this vital position. Selecting the right gear is essential for a strong support player. Opt for weapons that excel at inking territory and have specials that benefit the entire team, like the Tacticooler or Big Bubbler. Gear abilities such as Ink Saver Main allow you to paint more without running out of ink. Quick Respawn is also very helpful, getting you back into the fight in about 3 seconds. Boosting your special with Special Charge Up and Special Power Up makes you an even greater asset. Effective positioning is key to being a great support. You want to stay slightly behind your aggressive teammates, providing them with a constant supply of ink and covering their flanks. Always keep an eye on the map to understand the flow of battle and anticipate enemy movements. Inking clear paths for your team allows for swift advances, and using elevated positions gives you a strategic advantage, letting you support pushes from a safe distance. Teamwork is paramount for any support player. Your main focus should always be on the objective, ensuring it is well-inked and secure. Utilize the in-game communication signals like Booyah for special readiness or this way, to direct attention to coordinate effectively. Always be ready to ink around your teammates, providing them with a safe zone or distracting opponents. Remember, staying alive is crucial. A living support player can continuously contribute to map control and special weapon deployment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.